We are going to make a street light using LDR sensor. This is a light dependent resistor sensor. So it will not have any polarity as it is a resistor. In any direction we can connect it on our board. This is a general board. On this general board we will place our components like LDR, transistor, resistor, LED, all such components we will place here, and backside we will do the soldering. Here we will do the soldering. So now when we are making a street light using a transistor, we should take BC547 transistor, and its terminal we should identify as such that it is having two circles, two shapes. One is flat shape, another is semicircular shape. So from flat shape onwards you hold it in such a way that flat surface left side will be collector, middle is base, right side is emitter. So emitter you place it at the bottom of your board, because on emitter we are not connecting any other components like LED or anything. Emitter will be commonly grounded, so emitter should be at the bottom of the board. And then from the back side you bend emitter, base, collector in three different directions, and here this is how you can bend it. Anywhere you can bend it. Then take 1K resistor. Next step, second step, after placing the transistor like emitter, base, collector, base should be in the between, collector some place should be there on the collector. So fine. Next I am going to place 1K resistor between base and emitter. It should be connected at base and emitter. So it should connect at base. Extra wire we should cut it off or bend it, then cut it. Here base and emitter I have connected, base and emitter. Between base and emitter I have connected. From the back side also you can see one wire going to the base, one wire going to the emitter. We need to solder it, then remaining part we should cut it off. Then third step, I should connect LED. Now LED will have positive and negative. Bigger terminal will be positive, smaller terminal will be negative. Smaller terminal will go on collector end. So I placed in such a way that LED negative is going on the collector. If I go back and bend it, this LED negative will be falling on the collector, and positive I should bend in some other direction. And I should take one more resistor of 1K, and resistor no polarity, so I can connect either way, and in such a way that one end of the resistor is connecting at the LED positive, another end is left out. That another end will connect with the LDR. Now LDR I am placing LDR one end with the resistor, and one end with the base like one resistor I connected on that base. I am fixing it. So this will make a street light. Now I should take in the battery cap at the emitter any place, and base that is positive I should connect at the LDR other end, which is connecting with the 1K resistor of LED. Here I should connect this way on one end of the LDR and another end of the emitter. So this will make the street light. Now we will see. This is the relay. One more another part we should use: VCC, ground, and input. VCC we should connect with the red color on the LDR circuit. Ground we should connect with the black color by using some connecting wires on the LDR circuit, and input we should connect at the collector. On the collector LED negative will be connecting and collector part will be there. There we should short this input pin of the relay. This is an automatic switch for making a street light. So we already prepared one circuit. It is that's already soldering we have done in this circuit. So once I power on, it will react to the light intensity. See here, light is there. These two lights are off. It is working as a street light. In case of brightness, these lights are off. Now in case of darkness, I close the sensor. That means sensor is in darkness. Now these lights are on. These are automatically on by using this relay. If I keep brightness, lights are off automatically. This is automatic switching by using a relay, and then by using LDR circuit. This is how we can make a street light using relay and lights.